Okay, so I'm here today with Roger Everitt, CEO of Savience, who specialise in healthcare software for patient check-in. Roger's markets are largely in the UK and Canada, and we're here in the imageHOLDER shop floor looking at some of the kiosks that we've been doing for them and looking at future innovations. Just going to ask Roger a few questions. So first off, Roger, why was it that you selected imageHOLDERS as your kiosk partner?
Okay, Adrian, thanks a lot, and thanks for inviting us down here today. It's been a very impressive organisation. It's lovely to see the factory. It's lovely to see the design work that goes into behind it. And I think it is the design work and the idea, the acceptance of accessibility, the notion that accessibility is built in at the design stage within the kiosks means that when it's delivered to the patients on site, we know that we're fully supporting things like visual impairment, speech difficulties, accessibility from wheelchairs, etc. So it's accessibility, friendliness of the organisation, the quality of the engineering, which I have to admit is absolutely superb. And those are the main factors. Plus, of course, the fact that you're based in Canada, which helps us enormously to provide between Savience and imageHOLDERS a joined up offering for the Canadian market.
And Roger, what is it that you particularly like about the products?
I think that's an easy one, Adrian. It really is. They're very attractive to look at, and I think a visual appeal is important. They're also size and shape-wise. We can have desktop, wall-top, or floor mounts, and the floor mount one in particular provides a lovely piece of presence, but it isn't overpowering. They look good in situ, and the way that they're put together, I think it's the engineering side that has appealed, not that I'm an engineer, but I have field-based engineers who have to do repair work on the kiosks. And we find that swapping out components, should that become necessary, is so simple and so easy. It's almost an end-user capability rather than engineering capability, which makes the support of the product and credibility and ease of use for the end user just paramount. Simple.
Super. And is there any future technology that you see coming through, or do you see the level of innovation and how we can help you to react to that?
I think that's absolutely, again, crucial. The world doesn't stand still. We've already started to work with you looking at facial recognition. The kiosks themselves have modules built into them which we can add. So we're already doing payment at kiosk for some of the client sites where we can fit a chip and pin reader. But the idea of facial recognition, which has come on leaps and leaps and bounds over the years, and the fact that we can add that module when we completed the software development into it, I think it just takes it to a different level to that which we were able to have before.
Sure, that's brilliant. Well, Roger, it's been an absolute pleasure having you here today.
Fine,
Many thanks for coming.
We thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you ever so much indeed.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.